Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Pioneer 500 side-by-side. Beautiful condition, only 108 miles on the odometer. Four-wheel drive, paddle shifter transmission. It's got the roof installed already. Comes standard with the rear rack. Come on by and make your lightweight Pioneer 500 side-by-side dreams come true for just $89.99. This one will fit in the back of your pickup truck. Don't need a trailer to get it. Electric start, fuel injected. This one's not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.